look at here, y'all. I bought Charlie that bed from Temu, and he still wants to sleep on this bike and also sleep in an Amazon box. Now, I was sitting here on my computer and I'm hearing this noise and Charlie is snoring like crazy. Let me see if you can hear it again. I know he was snoring a few minutes ago, but he must have stopped. Boy, Charlie, bought him a bed, and he don't want to sleep in that little cute little Temu bed that I bought. He still want to go and sleep on an Amazon box and sleep on my bike. Uh-oh, now he trying to get up. Charlie, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. But anywho, still love you. Bye.